Imagine typing an entire email, proposal, customer response, or portfolio message without actually typing it. Just a few characters, a voice command, or a simple AI request, and it's done. If you spend hours every week answering messages, writing emails, managing clients, or creating content, today's tool might save you more time than you think. In this video, we are taking a look at InsertKit, a productivity tool that combines text expansion, voice typing, AI assistance, and workflow automation into a single platform. We will cover everything from setup and installation to shortcuts, voice commands, and the AI agent feature so you can decide whether it's worth adding to your workflow. Let's get started. InsertKit is basically designed to eliminate repetitive typing. Instead of copying and pasting the same messages over and over again, you can create shortcuts that instantly expand into full text. But that's only one part of the platform. InsertKit also includes voice typing capabilities, AI-powered content generation, clipboard management, and even an AI agent that can perform actions on your computer using voice commands. Whether you are a freelancer, marketer, sales professional, customer support agent, business owner, or content creator, the goal is simple: help you work faster and more efficiently. Before using InsertKit, you will need an account. Head over to the website and click Get Started. You will see several plans including free, individual, team, and enterprise. If you are just getting started and free plan is more than enough, fill out the sign up form with your information or simply choose sign up with Google for a faster setup process. Once registration is complete, you will have immediate access to your dashboard. Now let's install the software. Navigate to the download section. InsertKit is available for multiple platforms including Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and as a Chrome extension. If you are using Windows, and desktop application is generally the recommended option because it allows shortcuts to work across your entire computer rather than only inside a web browser. Download the version that matches your device. After the download completes, open the installer and follow the setup instructions. Once installation is finished, launch InsertKit and log into your account. Your shortcuts and settings will automatically become available inside the application. After logging in, you will arrive at the main dashboard. This is where you will manage shortcuts, organize categories, configure voice typing, access the AI agent, and customize your workflow settings. The interface is straightforward and designed to keep frequently used tools within easy reach. Now let's look at the feature most people start with. Open the Shortcuts section and click Add Shortcut. You will now configure your first text expansion shortcut. Start by choosing a trigger. This is the command you will type later to activate the shortcut. For example, /hello. Next, give your shortcut a title. This simply helps you identify it in your shortcut library. You will also see access settings. Private means only you can use the shortcut. Team access allows multiple users to share and use the same shortcuts. You can also assign a category to keep everything organized. Finally, enter the message you want to shortcut to generate. This could be an email template, customer response, pricing information, social media links, portfolio introduction, or anything else you type repeatedly. Once finished, click Add Shortcut. Your shortcut is now ready. Let's see it in action. Open Notepad or any text editor, type your trigger, for example, /hello. Instantly the full message appears. No copy pasting, no searching, no manual retyping. Just type the trigger and the message is inserted automatically. Now let's move to one of the InsertKit's newest feature, which is voice typing. Instead of typing manually, you can simply speak. Open the voice typing section and enable the feature. Choose your activation key. This is the key you will hold while speaking. When pressed, InsertKit begins recording. When released, it automatically converts your speech into text. This creates a completely hands-free workflow for repetitive tasks. Voice typing also includes voice assistant mode. Simply use the configured trigger phrase and tell the AI what you would like to create. For example, write a professional leave request email. The request is sent to AI and the content is generated automatically. Now let's talk about the most advanced feature currently available, InsertKit Agent. InsertKit Agent is designed to go beyond text generation. It acts more like an AI assistant capable. By default, the phrase is "Hey Agent." Once activated, you can begin issuing commands using natural language. You can also enable always listening mode, allowing the agent to remain ready in the background. Depending on permissions, InsertKit Agent can launch and close applications, search the web, open links, perform browser actions, read text files, move, rename and organize files, create folders, adjust system settings and many more, and perform various productivity-related tasks. Most importantly, permissions are granular. You decide exactly what the AI agent is allowed to access. InsertKit is much more than a text expansion tool. If your daily workflow involves repetitive typing, customer communication, content creation, or administrative work, InsertKit offers several ways to save time and reduce manual effort. The free plan makes it easy to get started and you can explore advanced features as your needs grow. Thanks for watching this review from the SaaS Talk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and let us know your thoughts in the comments. We will see you in the next one.